You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this Iranian-German film score composer and conductor. If you want to learn more names from music that are confusing, stay tuned. How to pronounce Ramin Djawadi. In English, therefore, it's usually pronounced as Ramin Djawadi. Ramin Djawadi. Some may say it as Ramin Djawadi as well. I think both pronunciations are correct. I don't think any of the two syllables on his first name are particularly stressed, so Ramin Djawadi. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.